Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Hack.io. In this quick tutorial we're gonna explore group lists on Google Maps. So I'm using Google Maps app on iPhone. In top left corner, go to this burger menu, then go to your places, and here you will have lists. So basically there are different types of lists, so let's just create a new one here, and then let's just name it group list. So there are private lists, there are public lists, and there are group ones. So you can share them with different people, you can view, edit, and vote on them. So it can be a super useful feature. So let's just save it. And here it is. So group lists will be differentiated from your lists and then group lists. So if I go here, there aren't any places. I can just add some place. Just add something like this. Then let's just add Nyhavn, which is well-known place in Copenhagen. So what just happened? I just added two places here, and I can vote with my friends where I want to go in Copenhagen. What are the best places to go on our weekend? So let's just upvote, and then I will see this is top voted. But I'm at the moment just one person in this list. So to invite other people, I just click on three dots here and then invite people. So you can invite obviously your email, messenger, all other options, but I will just copy it. So guys, I just copied this invitation to join this group list, and I switched my accounts on Google Maps app. So I'll just go to this link here. And then I will see this. So I will see this invitation if I want to join this group list. I'll just continue, and then we will see that there are two persons in this group list. And then when I upvoted this place, I will see that there are two votes for this, and it was added by two people. Yep. So then I can do all these things here. I can add a place, I can select an image. So let's for example, we want to eat some fish food in Copenhagen. I can add another place. We'll add this one, and I will upvote on this. And then it will be available among my places, among my lists. So this is how it works. And then we can just decide with our friends where we want to go on our weekend, what are the top places, and other similar stuff. So it can be really useful to plan your travels using Google Maps app. And of course you will receive notifications on your iPhone when someone edits and adds some new places to this group list. So thanks for watching, that's about it. Please like this video if it was helpful, and leave any suggestions and questions in the comment section below.